Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming the 5-minute makeup challenge. I have already done one of these videos. I don't know if everyone would have seen it. It was on Talisha Hill's YouTube channel and there should hopefully be like a little card up here. You can click that and watch that video if you want to, and also subscribe to her channel. I thought I'd film this video today just because I haven't really done many challenges on my channel and I just thought it'd be a little bit of fun and to see if I could actually do it this time because I was so close. I just hadn't filled out my eyebrows and I'd left them to last for some reason. I don't know how I'm going to approach today. And if you haven't, then please hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And let's jump on into the video. Okay, so before I start the challenge, I have already laid out my makeup. Some of my makeup, not even all of it, just out on the chair next to me so that I can just grab it and go. And then I will start a timer on my phone, so I don't know if everyone can see it, but there is a 5-minute timer on there. Okay, so as soon as I hit start, the challenge begins. So I'm so nervous. I don't even know why. I just don't want it to look bad. So I'm going to start off with my foundation in my hand so I can literally start straight away. So are we ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so today I'm using the Infallible foundation stick just because I know this is quick and easy to apply. I haven't even got my mirror in my hand. This is gonna look an actual mess. Just grabbing my mirror. Oh god. So yeah, I chose this foundation because I know it blends in quickly. I said in my last video how I don't actually like this foundation and it still stands. I'm just using it because it blends quickly. I really want to do better than last time. My hands hurt. Oh, I never do my eyebrows. Never not first. Do you know what? This is actually so much harder. Oh, it's so streaky. Next I'm going to take my beauty blender so that this doesn't look as bad as it actually does. My arm hurts. How long? Oh my god, I've already done a minute. I'm not even going to bother with powder, okay? I'm doing bronzer quickly. Ew. I didn't even do my under eye. Oh, this foundation on my nose. It's just literally clinging to the dry patches. Okay, now I'm going to bronze my forehead just to make sure I'm even all over. I don't even know why I'm telling you what I'm doing, like it doesn't even matter. This is like... Okay, I'm going to attempt eyebrows. It's not even open. Oh my god. Quick. Mirror, I need it. Oh my god, my eyebrows are such a mess. Please, if someone thinks this is easy, it's actually not. Like, please try it yourself and then realise how not easy this is. Oh my god, my eyebrow. Okay, we can do this, it's fine. I don't even want to know how long I've got left. I'm now going to take my highlighting palette and my highlighting brush and just put this on the high part of my cheekbones. Oh my god, how long? Oh my god, there's not even a mirror in this. I've got a minute. Quick, get down here. I need to do eyeshadow. I'm just going to take this colour. Ew. Ew. This is a hot mess. Oh my god, I want my eyes to be even before it before it rings. Oh my god! Look at my foundation. Now I'm going to attempt mascara. I bet you it's going to ring any second. Oh my god. Okay, so 5 minutes is up. 5 minutes is up. I'm now going to look at myself in the mirror. Okay, so first things first, the foundation. Obviously, I didn't prime. I mean, my whole face is covered with foundation. It doesn't look amazing, but all of my face is covered. I'll give myself that. However, when I was doing my eyebrows, I think it was on my eyeshadow, I literally can't even remember, that was the quickest 5 minutes of my life. I realised I literally hadn't blended it in here and it's all like patchy and gross. This time I managed to do my eyebrows, so my face looks more done than what it did in the other time because I did my eyebrows. However, I mean, they've got a basic shape, but they just look awful. My highlighter though, poppin'. I like the highlighter today. Yeah, I like the highlighter. The bronzer and the highlighter look half okay. It looks like I've just gone for like a, you know, just a quick bronzy look today. The eyeshadow, obviously there's only one colour. I mean, it looks even all over. No, just the whole eye area doesn't look amazing. I mean, I literally put went like that with my mascara and then suddenly the time was up. So yeah, I'm actually, like, for me to get that amount of products on my face, I'm quite impressed with. They just look awful. I didn't even get lipstick or like setting spray on. The 5 minute makeup challenge is definitely a hard challenge. I do not think anybody, I mean, I've watched a lot of these challenges, but I just don't think that anybody can actually like do it really well and get like all the products on. Like 5 minutes goes by so quickly without realizing. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed filming it. It was very stressful, I'm not gonna lie, but I did enjoy filming it and I hope you guys did too. And if you did, then please give it a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.